Welcome friends. Today I am going to show you a letter writing in my new YouTube channel Chondhuma's Tutorial. The letter writing will be a formal letter writing and I am going to discuss it about a letter to the editor for concerning a topic which is burning issues of increasing price of cooking gases and fuels. Okay, now no more talking. Let's start the letter. So, I would like to draw the attention of the authorities concerned to a hike means increase in the price of LPG that means cooking gas and kerosene through the columns of your esteemed daily. Now viewers, see, I have written here column. Column means since it's a letter to the editor and I am going to write this letter which might the letter would be published in a newspaper, then there remains a page in newspaper which is known as editor's column. So I have mentioned here columns, and esteemed daily means newspaper. Newspaper is also known as esteemed and it comes daily. That's why I have written esteemed daily. Okay. The ever increasing price. Viewers, you should maintain a proper line since it's a formal letter and letter to editor. So you should maintain a proper line towards the side of row. Okay. I hope you should all know. Otherwise, try to maintain. The ever increasing price of the bare necessities of life is now a headache to all classes of people. Okay, there has been In recent years, a rapid increase in the price of daily commodities. It has now really became impossible for us to make both ends meet. Now, both ends meet means to fulfill all the demands relating to fooding and clothing and other basic necessities which we require for our day to survive. Okay, that's why I have written both ends meet. Since we are Bengalis, I am mentioning fish. You can mention any other food name. Fish and meat are beyond one's purchasing power. Rice and vegetables okay, rice and vegetables written this much. Here I have no more portion remain, so I am rubbing it off. I think this much you have written down. So let's start the next portion in my next clean board. So after rice and vegetables, now write rice and vegetables are also dear. Dear means quite costly. Okay, and now listen, since my space was not there in the board, so I have started writing from here. You are not going to do these things, you will just continue in your respected pages. Okay, consequently there is a hike in the price of kerosene and LPG. It is the major problem for the common people to lead a peaceful, normal life now next para. you should start the next para when from you are starting the first para, just up down to it. It is high time that government should take necessary steps to control the exceeding prices of kerosene and cooking gas. Now here we end our letter with yours truly. Write your respective names, and I am writing my name, Chonzima Banerjee. Also along with this, you should here add your address, which I am not writing. You should write your respective address and also the date, in which date you are writing the letter. Okay. Okay viewers, we have already completed our formal letter regarding the price increase of cooking gases and LPG, and so now I am requesting you viewers to put many more topics in front of me, so that I could make more letter writing videos for you and for your help. So I'll be very much thanked if you kindly like, share and comments in my videos, and do not forget to subscribe it my channel Chondima's Tutorial. Okay, for today, bye bye, stay safe and healthy.